national item?
I don't know. We just do it because we're told.
Okay.
Okay, class, follow me. Wait a minute.
Jane, come here.
Ma'am,
Can you read? Where's the north in the map?
ma'am, I don't know how to read the map.
Oh my gosh.
Uy, look at this. Heroes are not important. Is it true?
Yeah, maybe that's true. I guess they don't matter today.
That's wrong. If you had social studies, you know how important they are. Yeah, you're right.
Okay, that is your assignment. Before that we end our class, I have announcement. Okay, please listen. Class will bring back the social studies in our schedule.
Me too. I want to hear the stories of our heroes.
Okay, goodbye class.
Goodbye.